In third type of reaction, single displacement reaction, the more reactive element displaces a less reactive elements from its solution and forms its own solution, and the less reactive elements gets deposited on the solid part. Like here, A plus BC, A is displacing B from its solution and forming its own solution. Good morning everyone. Today we are having the third lecture of types of chemical reaction. The third reaction is displacement reaction. We have already covered about combination reaction and decomposition reaction. So now displacement reaction. I will just recall a previous class activity where we have done that activity when we put some iron nails in copper sulfate solution. Then we saw that a brown layer is deposited on the nails, and that brown layer was the layer of copper. Okay, copper means from the solution the copper layer was deposited on the iron nails on the solid material. So if we represent this activity in a reaction in a equation form, then we can write like iron nails Fe plus copper sulfate solution in water, that is called, why it is called aqueous. It gives FeSO4 aqueous plus Cu, that is copper. Means when we put iron nails in copper sulfate solution, the result we get the ferrous sulfate solution, that is iron sulfate solution, and the copper is deposited on the iron nails. Clear? So here what happened in this reaction? In this reaction, iron has displaced copper from its sulfate solution in water. Clear? Let's take one more example. If we put zinc particles in copper sulfate solution, again the same reaction happens and zinc sulfate is formed and copper is deposited on the zinc object. Now if we take lead substances, lead particles in copper chloride's aqueous solution, then we get lead chloride and copper is deposited on lead substance. Clear? Or you can say lead particles. So what in this reactions we are seeing, the reaction is happening here, that in this reaction a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its aqueous solution, and that is called displacement reaction. You can see again that an element is displacing, like copper. These elements zinc and lead are taking place of copper in their solutions, and from the metal copper is getting out from its solution, so it is getting displaced. That is why this reaction is called displacement reaction.